On August 16, 2018, a Bell TH-67 helicopter operated by the Little Rock Police Department encountered a severe accident during a maintenance ground run in Little Rock, Arkansas. This maintenance run was intended to test new equipment installed on the helicopter, but an unexpected wind gust quickly destabilized the aircraft, leading to a serious incident. This is the video that uncovers what happened that day. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth air crash investigations. As we can see in the video, the helicopter was positioned on the ground, with the rotor blades actively spinning to assess the new equipment's performance. During ground runs, helicopters are particularly vulnerable to wind gusts because they lack the forward momentum that helps stabilize them in normal flight. When the gust hit, it caused a sudden shift in the helicopter's balance, known as dynamic rollover. This phenomenon occurs when an external force, like wind, tilts the aircraft while the rotors are engaged, creating a tipping momentum that becomes difficult to counteract. The pilot's attempts to regain control were hampered by the helicopter's position and the lack of forward speed. With no time to stabilize, the aircraft's tilt increased, causing the rotor blades to contact the ground. The helicopter was ultimately destroyed, and the sole pilot on board sustained serious injuries. This incident underscores the risks associated with high wind conditions during ground operations. Ground runs should be carefully monitored for weather conditions, especially wind speed and direction, as even a momentary gust can lead to a rapid, uncontrollable tilt in helicopters. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you love aviation, safety, and air crash investigation.